Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. You may remember that I cleaned up this hammerhead, and I believe this is a rock splitter. This is something that Lewie McNeely sent me, and I'm pretty sure that it's a rock hammer. It's a little bit heavier than this 3-pound, so I'm thinking I want to have at least a handle as big as this one, like this. The only problem is the eye on the head is too big. I just rehandled a 10-pound sledge, and this handle came out of it. It was one that was pretty hammered. When I bought it, the head was on it, and it seemed to be solid. First time I hit something, the head fell off. It was only attached by the wedge friction against this one piece. So, new handle was in order, and I had a new handle. But that left me with this chunk of handle, which is actually in pretty good shape. I'm thinking I can cut this handle down to match this head. Just have to put a neck down portion to go into the eye, and try and come up with a handle that looks something like this one. Won't be exact, but something like this one. And I don't think this is a two-hand hammer, but the more distance you have on the handle, the faster the head speed is as you swing it, especially when you break your wrist. So the impact is higher with a little longer handle. Now I might find later that I want to shorten the handle, but if I have extra on there, I can always cut some off. It's a bit harder to stick some more on a handle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut down this handle to be about the length of this one, and then neck it down so it'll fit the eye. And to do that, I'm going to use the little belt sander. Seems to work pretty well for that kind of operation. I think this hammer is going to work pretty well. Just needs a little bit of sanding on the handle and some blow. It'll be all pretty and looking nice. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And thanks, Lewie. This is a great hammerhead. And got some rock that I would like to chip on a little bit. I'm thinking about taking a piece of sandstone and making a grinding wheel out of it. You know, kind of like the one I got on the grinder behind me. Gonna get some use out of this thing. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.